this is going to be a 4-in-1 tool review, all from the same store. Why? Because, I don't know, I'll just make a long video. Where did I go? I went to Horror Freight, and I bought another one of these. I'm not going to do a review on it, because if you look at one of my videos, I already did a review on this. I own like 3 or 4 of them now. These things are awesome, and I'm not going to review it, but I'll show you why I like it. Didn't I just say I wasn't going to do a review? No. But anyway, I like the fact that you can USB charge them. The big fat lithium battery. I mean, I'm not sure about lithium yet. I mean, I'm still convinced that one of these will probably ignite. So anyway, it comes with the charging gizmos. I like this part. It goes back and forth. The other one, it's 500 lumens. Whoa! Darth Vader. It does a lot lower at the end, which is cool. It does have a green light on here when it's charged. It turns red when it's dead, which is cool. You can also unscrew this here and buy a new lithium, what is it, a 10, whatever it's called, 18650 battery, which is cool. Or you can buy like 1,000 of these and make yourself your own Tesla wall. Go see somebody else online for how to make that. Anyway, I bought this because power outage here. So far we've sorry, hit the button. So far we've had 2 or 3 power outages. And what's funny is every time, I swear, 4 power outages in a row. Go wait a while, a couple hours, things start thawing out. And what happens? I'm like, all right, you know what? Instead of getting the generator right away, I'm just like lazy. Like it's something going on, you're working, you're trying to get everything settled. What happens? So finally when I get a free moment, I'm like, let's go get the little tiny generator out. You know, just plug in the TV or something, because the stupid thing can't run a sump pump. It probably barely can run our fridge. So I get it out, get it all started, ask for help getting it to work, and no word of a lie. The first time I was on my porch, we got all started on the porch, and the power came on as soon as we got it running. Last time the power went out, we get the neighbor in my building has a, well, not the neighbor, the tenant has a huge generator hooked up into the building. I asked him, I said, can I use one of your plugs just to plug in my fridge? Yeah, no problem. I snake the extension cord through the building, run it through the floor, get it all set up, power goes on. I had it plugged in. Actually, no, I plugged it in to charge some DeWalt batteries. So I used them as flashlights first, and I was going to drill a hole through the floor. It lasted any longer. Power came on. As soon as I get it plugged in. Third time. This time, all right, power's out. Been out for like 6-7 hours. My fridge is getting a little warm. We got one of those fridges with a window on it, so it gets even warmer. I'm like, you know what? I drilled a hole through the floor, ran the extension cord, put it on the floor, get in there, get the fridge plugged in. 5 minutes after I get the fridge plugged in, fridge is running. Boom, okay, cool. We got a fridge working. I can eat. Boom, power comes on. This time I left the cord in the floor. I left the cord honked in the floor, threw the cord underneath the stairs, and just put the other one on the second floor. And there's a refrigerator under the floor, so I took the cord and I just left there, and my tenant pushed it out of the way. So I'm like, you know what? Power goes out again. I'm gonna have one of these, and the cord's just staying there till I either move out or an asteroid hits the building. So anyway, with that said, I had to go to Harbor Freight to buy this, and I also picked up a set of picks. And last week I was tearing apart their flashlight, which I decided when I tossed in the garbage, because there's just no point. It's a piece of junk. So I wanted picks. So I was like, you know what? Let me look at these ones. And then let me see how these ones are. And then let me see if these ones are any better. I bought 3 of them. First one is a Pittsburgh mini pick hook set. So I will show you this. This is the set. Part number 63697. Lifetime warranty. Here's the back of it. If you want to read it, hit pause. So that's that. I will put it down here so you can see. Oh, that's a little bright. Anyway, I don't know if you can see that. Probably better this way. So anyway, open it up. Has a nice little cardboard thing here. Come on, if I can't open. Just slide out. Should slide out. I want to slide. There's a staple in there. One staple. Well, there's a little hookety dental pick here. Handles seem pretty cheap. Like, but I mean, what were these like? I don't know what the price was, but they're almost, if they got any cheaper, it'd be free. So anyway, there's basic picks. I mean, what can you say about them? Am I going to pay $50 at, what do you call it, Snap-on for these things? I don't think so. I'm not about to pay a arm, a leg, and they're picks. I mean. So anyway, I bought those. Yeah, you want to, they work. They're basic, your basic cheap things. I could just take a piece of metal, grind it down, bend it, and just put it in a piece of wooden plug, but that, like, it would make sense. Instead, today we like buying, you know, it's nice to have, instead of spending 5 hours making a set, more to buy one. So anyway, I bought that one. So that's the first one. Let me get this rag out of here. So you can see that over there, that over there, that out of the way. So anyway, there's these ones. Now there's this one. This is the part where I almost cut my hand off. Okay, hold on. I have a thing to cut this open with. Of course not. Of course I don't have any scissors here. I stole my scissors. I hate cutting these things open. I usually use tin snips to cut these open, because last time I did this, or one time I did it, I forgot there was a knife and I sliced my finger wide open. So I'm very hesitant about doing this. I try to be careful. I don't feel like slicing a finger off here late at night and then call an ambulance and be like, oh. So anyway, this is a Pittsburgh 7-piece pick hook set. Forgot to do that. Part number 69592. 7 pieces. We'll open it up here. Let's get picky. Let's close this. Let's close this for you. 7-piece. Okay, let's throw this out. Even these ones, the plastic seems a little. I do. It's you can definitely pick your nose with this. I mean, hey, it's not bad. They're, I don't know. They have a weird feel. I'm not saying they're no good. They're just. Turn the light on. They just don't feel. I mean, no offense. This is a Snap-on. The Snap-on plastic feels like it's a Snap-on oldie, whatever. So, but do I care? I mean, this is actually stupid. It's just a. I can make one of these with an old screwdriver, which I have in the past. These ones are. What are they? Same as this? Probably. In fact, they look like they're just. This one looks like it's a pubic hair bigger than this one. So. Just another. See, the only difference is one's bent down, this one's whatever. So, I mean, if you need a bigger pick, you know, and the whole point is to not spend $1 billion on this thing. So, they're not bad. I mean, if you're just, you know, you want to pick something in the, you know, right in the neck, you can do that. Or you can, you know, whack them in the temple, whatever you want to do. Pick their nose, get a little big one under, whatever. Are they okay? I'm pretty sure there'll be no qualms with, you know. Do they pick okay? Yeah. This one's a little, they're not really sharp. Can I, yeah, do what I gotta do with it? Yeah. If I have to sharpen over them on the grinder. So anyway, these are the picks that I got. And then there's this Professional. This is the Icon picks. 4-piece set, Professional. Because what is the difference between, like, the professionals can't use this? KMS 400. What is that? KMS, Kill My Soul, 400 times. Let's see. Let's try to get this open. Here, like this. Oh, look at that. Professional grade. Put the hook in there, pull it out. That's how you do it. I think professional Harbor Freight means they put it in a pretty box. So now you got this. Ooh, look at that icon. My first icon tool. Come with a nice little plastic, whatever, blow molded thing. Now, let's see this thing. Let's see what is so professional about this. What's the difference? Oh, like this one is a little like pointier. This one's a little thicker. I don't know. These ones are like chrome plated. This one's like, oh, we forgot to chrome it. Just pure metal. It doesn't matter. The stabby thing is, see, I don't know if you can see that. This one's like got a nice taper. This one goes like, it just tapers at the end. This one's like taper all the way down. This one seems a little bit sharper. This one's pointier. I don't know. Handle's bigger. See? Handles are a little bit bigger. They got a little, like, I don't know. It's like they, all they did is use, from what I can tell, this one, oh, wait a minute. See, this one, it's like it's like these are almost identical. Like they just change the shape a little. This one's chrome plated, a shorter, like low budget. I don't know, like it's almost like candy. This one's like some cheap, I don't know, plastic you'd probably find on the side of the road. And this one's got a little bit of like a rubbery feel, like there's plastic and inlaid rubber. And the metal on the Icon ones are like, it's just, maybe it's like steel. They're not chrome. These ones are fatter. Like and these ones are much thinner. They seem like they're thinner, and the points are much more precision point. The hook is a little more precision on here. And this, like, which is weird. Let's see. That's the straight edge. That's the straight one. That's the left hook one. The left hooky one. See, like, this is a longer one. The handles on these two are the same size, and then the little left hook job here. See, this is micro size, like fat hands. Like, look at this. I'm gonna hold on to that. Look at the size of my hand. This one, I'll get a little bit of grip, and well, this one, obviously, I get a full grip on it, and I could probably gouge your eyeballs out with it. This one over here, little short thing with the little. This one's a little more precise. Got that nice little, like, ooh, smooth metal, like they just kind of polished it. You can definitely see where they polished it on here. See, I don't know if you can see it on camera. But other than that, a pick is a pick is a pick. You know, it's a screwdriver. So, I can't, the little cases, ouch, I think I just stabbed myself. The little cases, kind of neat. There's a piece of cardboard in the back here. I mean, I could probably use this in my toolbox. But honestly, I think this one, these two seem like they're the exact same size. So if you look at them, see, you could throw the shady black ones there and sell them as professional ones. I don't know what is so professional. Ergonomic soft grip handles provide increased comfort. Honestly, like, these are a little tiny. And let's see. And control while resisting most shop solvents. Used for scribing, alignment, O-ring removal, piercing holes, and cleaning. Manufactured in Taiwan. Well, at least it's made in Taiwan. Chinois. 4-piece. Lifetime guarantee. So, my opinion, I don't really care. My opinion is, if you don't want to spend $1 billion and just need cheap picks, buy these cheap things. Because for the price of the rest of these, I could buy, I don't know, 10 of these. Are they any good? To me, let's be real here. If I pay $100 for this, or I pay $2 for this, and it does the same thing, what's the difference? Nothing. Other than, oh, look at me, I bought a fancy one. So that's why some of the Harbor Freight tools are good for us hacks that are like, I might just use this and break it once, you know, whatever. But other than that, you know, it is what it is. It's a pick. You can pick your teeth, pick your nose, pick all kinds of stuff with it. They're all, I mean, they'll have a use. And believe it or not, like, I'll have to admit, these ones are a little bit finer, so I could have used these a million times. So yeah, not bad though. I mean, I'm not complaining about them. I'm just saying they are what they are. They're picks. They're, I mean, the only way I can see this costing $60 is if maybe the handle was made of frickin', I don't know, mahogany from some other country. And highly, you know, made of a nice mahogany finish, and maybe the handle here was gold plated and had a, you know, a freaking extra super hard tip, and I don't know. And maybe came with a wooden board that I could throw axes at. That might work. So, hope you liked the video. Here's the thing. And I will attempt to pick up some other, what do you call it, Harbor Freight things, because, you know, these are good scratchers. You can go like this too. You get a little side scratch. My greasy head here. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and let me know how you like the videos, and I could probably do them a lot better, but this is what I do. I'm just making videos and enjoying them. Take care. Have a great night. Whatever you like to do, do it. And if you decide to film it, let me know. I will try to stop in and check out your channel. I don't join everybody's channel because sometimes I don't like the content, but sometimes people do great content. I'm not into it. So if I'm into it, I will join. If not, well, and if you're not into my channel, I could understand that too. But I try to put a little bit for everybody, a little bit of sad dad humor. Thanks for watching. Toodles.